They want you to open this in front. Ayan, yan! Gift from the Keeperifics. Go ahead, keep open it.
Alak tayo.
There you go!
Thank you! Uy, meron ba? Pwede yung mga isabi ng ganito lang.
Benta yun. Okay, there. So there, thank you very much, Keeperifics, for this wonderful gift. And we have another one, galing lang kay Jimmy kasi bida siya. A big one for Jimmy.
Allergy sa seafoods, baka nakakain. Nakulok talaga eh.
Parang ano ba?
Ito seafood.
Dapat kasama si Tita Mosi dyan. Kasama si Tita Mosi dyan. Medyo nagkamali na si Kuya Tony Lu.
Keeper.
Okay lang. Kuya Tony Lu. Hindi nagkamali lang. Okay, nagkamali Lu. Si Kuya Tony nagkamali niya ako.
Okay, sige, Jimmy.
Hindi, si Kuya Tony.
Kwento mo daw sa pagong. Okay. Keep, I know you have a lot to say to the